You see that? See that right there? Yeah, it's real. That's a sacking GPU. I'm not ashamed. It could happen to you. And with the new NVidia cards weighing around, well... over 9,000! Then you'll probably have to figure something out. By the way, give me some credit for that awesome editing. It's top quality. Throw the video a like, thank you. Okay, I've looked into a few possible options for fixing this problem. First one is pretty straightforward, and it's free. All you do is, instead of having the power cables go straight down from the GPU, then have them go above the GPU and let them pull the card up a bit. Might not be the most aesthetically pleasing one, but it gets the job done. But you have money to burn, so let's look at some ways to spend it. Okay, first one here is from the company upHere. What a fitting name. Let's take a look. Nice and simple design, very sturdy. You have this metal rod attached to a round metal base, which has a small magnet on the bottom. Sadly not a very strong one, so this one is probably not one you want in a case that you move around a lot. You can extend it if you have a very tall case, and you can attach 2 of these small platforms to support SLI. Put it on the PSU shroud and let it do its job. It is super simple, super easy to install, no screws, no nothing. But as I said, I wouldn't use this in a case that you move around, and if you do, remove it first. It can do some serious damage if this one gets loose. Next one, also really simple. It's also metal, very light, L-shaped, and you mount it under the GPU like this. You can adjust it vertically when mounting it, but it also has 2 different rubber spacers that you can switch between. I ordered this in red because my other GPU is also sagging, and I got this red and black theme going on here. But it comes in a couple of different colors, not just red. Let's install it. And the final one. Thought I'd throw in a little RGB stuff, just for good measure. Let's have a look. It has this little platform that you can adjust into these small notches. Not quite as adjustable as the upHere solution, as it only goes in steps of around 2 mm, but it should do the trick. However, the small platform is very short and it might not fit exactly where it's supposed to go, that is in front of the power cables. Really depends on the GPU. On this old 660 Ti, the heat pipes get in the way. The base also extends outside of the PSU shroud, so it doesn't fit in this case, and GPU combination. Okay, about the lights. It has 9 addressable LEDs that can be controlled with, for example, Asus Aura Sync, Gigabyte's Fusion RGB, and MSI Mystic Light. And my old motherboard here doesn't have any LED output, so I have to use my MSI to show it. But wait, my MSI motherboard doesn't have anything that fits, only a 4-pin 12-volt output. Okay, so if I had a newer version, it might have, because this package was supposed to fit 2 different setups, but it doesn't really. It has the same 2 cables that won't fit MSI Mystic Light. Probably a packaging error, as the manual state that it should have 2 different cables. So I sadly cannot show the RGB. Okay, just kidding. I have this NCXT Hue Plus that can be used for everything, because it's not really Hue Plus, it's an Arduino. Let's connect this bad boy and get some light going. And there you have it. You can join my Christmas tree PC with the whole rainbow craziness going on. Yay! Now all I need to do is figure out how to fit the Arduino in the case, or maybe just use the upHere mount. What do you say?